has managing physical documents securely and efficiently become an increasingly difficult task? Is your document custody management hampered due to lack of automated verification and control? Wouldn't you prefer a system that saves time, enhances security, ensures compliance, and provides efficient document tracking and management? RFID, radio frequency identification device, makes it possible. With Essence xtenna-based RFID, you can uniquely identify and accurately track every physical document and file in your custody. This ID system lets you constantly monitor your documents by recording document storage, automating verification, and tracking incoming and outgoing file movement at multiple locations within the premises. A radio tag is affixed on each document and file. Each RFID tag has a unique ID number that corresponds to the individual document or file in the database. When documents, as well as files, are tagged, multi-level tracking is possible for individual documents within each file. Each tagged document or file is identified with multiple xtennas that are mounted at various locations within the premises. From the storeroom, file dispatch and returns take place on a short RFID-mounted conveyor that passes through the storeroom wall. The conveyor has xtenna hybrid in and out readers fitted within it on its inner roof, one reader on either side of the wall. Xtennas are extended-range RFID reader antennas that send and pick up signals from every tagged document and file and transmit them to a central database, resulting in instant identification and tracking in a way similar to a cell phone communicating with a signal tower. The system supports seamless integration and back-end connectivity with Oracle, DB2 and SQL and ERP such as SAP, providing real-time automated tracking, superior visibility, and highest accuracy that enables effective file management, enhanced security, and greater overall efficiency. RFID-enabled ID cards are issued to all staff personnel and dispatch attendants authorized to handle documents and files. This ensures that a file is issued only to the right person who is on duty at the correct location. When a new document is received or a new file made, a tag is affixed to it and associated in the database, along with relevant details pertaining to the client, lawsuit, or transaction. Existing documents and files are also similarly tagged and entered into the database. RFID tags are affixed on each shelf in the storeroom. Each file tag is associated with a shelf tag in the database based on correct grouping for easy verification of file location. During file placement, the storekeeper views the allotted shelf number in the database. Using a handy xtenna handheld reader, he then reads the file tag and the shelf tag to confirm correct storage location while placing the file on its allotted shelf. The database gets automatically updated to indicate that the file has been correctly shelved. Precise file location through file and shelf RFID tag association enables quick search and easy referencing when required. Retrieval and updation histories of files and documents are also easily maintained in the database. Files required are searched and retrieved in the storeroom with the handy xtenna handheld reader. In court storerooms, files are kept ready in bundles for the following day's proceedings. When an attendant arrives to collect his files, his ID is first verified at the in-reader on the storeroom's RFID-mounted conveyor. The file bundle is then placed on the conveyor and read first by the in and then the out reader as it passes through the conveyor and reaches outside the storeroom. The system updates out records and intimates the verification official at the file distribution area. Any mistaken or wrong file leaving the storeroom is spotted by the in-reader and the buzzer is sounded. The conveyor halts and reverses, preventing the files from leaving. When a file bundle arrives at the verification desk, the tags on the files are read and verified by the xtenna proximity reader mounted there. RFID tracking does not require the bundle to be opened for each file to be verified individually. On verification, an intimation of file arrival is automatically sent to the particular court. In the courtroom, file bundles arriving at the court official's desk are again read and verified by the xtenna proximity reader mounted there. The database is automatically updated to acknowledge the presence of the files in the courtroom. Files taken from the courtroom to the judge's chambers remain the responsibility of the court official till they are returned to the file verification desk. Similarly, RFID also enables document custodial services to verify and confirm that correct files have been dispatched to the correct authorized persons. On completion of day's proceedings, the court's files are rebundled and returned by the court attendant. The verification desk reads the tags and confirms return of files from the courtroom. During file return, if any files are retained at the courtroom, an intimation is sent to the verification desk. At the verification desk, the returning files are tallied and verified with the prior intimation received. If any other file is missing, an alert is sent to the court official. The database is automatically updated to acknowledge the return of files from the courtroom. The attendant then carries the verified file bundle back to the storeroom. A similar RFID verification process takes place in document custodial services, wherein the file is verified before being returned to the storeroom. Outside the storeroom, the attendant's tag ID is verified by the out reader on the conveyor. He then places the file bundle on the conveyor. The bundle is read first by the out reader and then the in reader as it passes through the conveyor and enters the storeroom. The system updates and records and confirms file arrival to the distribution desk. Inside the storeroom, the files are reshelved at their correct locations using the handy xtenna handheld reader, and the file status in the database gets updated accordingly. Xtenna maximizes the benefits of RFID and document tracking by uniquely enabling power supply and lossless digital data transmission over long distances through a single inexpensive cable. It works seamlessly with asset tracking tags and can be easily integrated with existing enterprise software and IT systems. Xtenna's RFID tracking saves time, ensures compliance, and enhances security. Providing you effective file management, smooth operations, and greater overall efficiency, helping your organization take the next step forward.